everyone. In this video, we will understand Salesforce relationships with live implementation, including junction object. First, understand what is relationship. Relationship means connecting one object with another object, and it helps us store related data in a proper way. Now, let's start with lookup relationship. Lookup relationship is a loose relationship between two objects, and it is a one-to-many relationship. One parent record can be related to multiple child records. Both objects are independent. It means that if the parent record is deleted, the child record will still exist. Now let's move to the master detail relationship. It is a strong relationship and it is also a one-to-many relationship. Here, the child record depends on the parent. It means that if the parent record is deleted, the child record will also be deleted automatically. And in master detail relationship, we get roll-up summary. So we can use count, sum, minimum and maximum. Now let's implement this in the org. So I will tell you how we can create a lookup relationship and how we can create a master detail relationship. Just open the org, click on the object manager. So here we have two objects. One is a standard object account and another is a custom object project that I will create. Just click on this create button and select custom object. Give the label name project and select the data type auto number. Enter the display format and starting number. Enable checkboxes. Now just save this. Now select the tab style and choose any color. Click on next, next and just save this. Click on this field and relationship. Click on new. Here select the data type lookup relationship and click on next and select the object related to the account. Here account is the parent and project is the child. Click on next, scroll down, next. Here you can see that all the profiles are available. Right now, visible checkbox true. You can choose any profile that you want to give the access. Now click on next, next and just save this. Here you can see that account lookup field is created. Now just open the app launcher and open Sales app. Create an account record first. Click on this new button. Give the account name and just save this. Click on this drop down. Open the project. Create a project record. Create new. Give the account name that I was created earlier. Test lookup. Just select this one and just save this. Here you can see that project record is created and it automatically give the project name because I selected the data type auto number. Now open the account record, test lookup. Here you can see that under related one project is available. Now I will delete the account. Click on this drop down. Click on this delete button. Click on delete. Even after deleting the account, the project record still exists. Just open the project record. Here you can see the project is not deleted. And this proves lookup is a loose relationship. Now for master detail relationship, the concept is almost the same as the lookup. We again need two objects. The only difference is while creating the field, instead of selecting lookup relationship, we select master detail relationship. In master detail relationship, once we create the relationship, the roll-up summary data type becomes available. Now I will show you how we can create a roll-up summary. Open the object manager, open account object and click field and relationship. Click on new. Here you can see that roll-up summary option. Now select this one and click on next. Give the field label name, total amount and just click on next. Here you can see that objects are available. I am selecting opportunities object and I want to calculate the total opportunity amount related to an account. Just select this sum, click on this drop down and select amount because I want to calculate the total opportunity amount. Now scroll down, next, enable for all the profiles, click on next and just save. Now search total amount field. So this will give me the total amount of all opportunities related to that account. To the account, open this Karthik Mewada record. Click on this related. Here you can see that one opportunity record is there and the amount is 1 lakh. Now click on this detail and right now amount is 1 lakh. Go to the related, just clone this opportunity, open this opportunity and just click on this clone, change the amount to lakh and just save this. Click on account, open Karthik Mewada, click on details. Here you can see that the total amount is changed. Before it is 1 lakh, but right now it is 3 lakh because in related here you can see that there are two opportunity and one opportunity amount is 1 lakh and another is 2 lakh. So this will give me the total amount of all opportunities related to that account. In this way we can create lookup relationship, master relationship and roll-up summary. And in my next video I will tell you how we can create a junction object. Thank you so much.